Almost $20,000 in the day, over $600,000 on the year with proof, only trading one stock SPY. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and give you all of my secrets and strategies. What's going on, team? It's your boy Jay on Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you're all having an amazing day. In today's value-packed video, I want to break down exactly how I've managed to make over $600,000 this year just trading SPY. I want to show you my exact strategies, my mental notes, everything that I use every single day to do this, and some other tips and tricks to help you make more money day trading and in the stock market. So as always, my future millionaire friends, if you like making money, if you enjoy transparent trading, and if you get some value from this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Comment what you want to learn next below, and let's get to the money together. And for those of you seeing this before Sunday, July 23rd, we are having our first and only ever free trial to our trading community for a whole week. So if you've been looking to try us out, come check out our team of 10 plus traders, including myself, Grizzly, Brandon, GD, and much more you've probably seen on YouTube. Make sure you guys go and join that waitlist below. Takes about 10 to 20 seconds to join. You put your name and your email in, and you can get a chance to be approved or maybe denied for our first ever and only ever free trial of our team. So tap into that after the video, and let's get right to it. So first and foremost, if you want to make $600K in a year, if you want to make $100K in a year, if you want to make $5K in a year in trading and keep it, there's a few things we have to do before I show you the exact strategies that I use. So with that, let's go over here. Now, I have 4 key rules to building what I started out with $5,000 years ago into millions now. $2 million to be exact, right? Just trading alone. So with these 4 rules, we're going to start with number 1, the 3 C's: confidence, conviction, and comparison. 2 will make you a lot of money. 1 will lose you a lot of money. First and foremost, I don't want you guys comparing yourself to me. I don't want you comparing yourself to the next YouTube guru. I don't want you comparing yourself to your next door neighbor. Your trading journey is your own. Trading is not one size fits all. And in order to become a profitable trader, right, which this took me years, you have to build confidence. Confidence is the number 1 trait that I see most traders struggle with. Once you get it down, once you can click that buy button with no emotion, with no fear, with no hesitation, you're going to be on the path to making money long term. Now, second to that is going to be conviction. You want to believe in your trades, right? You want to know, hey, I've seen this 10, 20, 30 times. I always tell my students that if you haven't seen the setup work out at least 10 times, ideally, I'd like to say 50 times. 10 to 50 times, you are not taking it, right? Trading is a long-term game. We play the marathon game. We run our marathon, we map our marathon, and we make it to the end. That's number 1. Now, number 2 is going to be stop reading trading psychology books. Now, I don't mean that in the way that you might think. I'm fine if you read some Mark Douglas. I am 100% okay with some Brett Steenbarger, with some Jared Tendler, Mental Game of Trading, my favorite book. But trading psychology books are not going to save you, my friends. You can't build step 1 on bad technicals. That's why if you put David Goggins, right? If you know who David Goggins is, author of Can't Hurt Me, most disciplined person like ever, right? If you put him in front of a trading screen, he's going to lose money because he doesn't have the technicals. You can't build your trading psychology up on bad technicals. So think about this. You get your strategy down, right? You see your setup work out 100 times. You get screen time in, automatically you're getting that experience. You're going to have more confidence in what you're seeing. But reading 100 books on trading psychology is not going to fix your confidence issue. You have to build up your technicals. You have to build up your skill. And on that, then we start working on ourselves. So that's number 2. And that is a huge step forward for so many of my students, right? They implant that into their mind. They really take it seriously. They dive into their technicals. They learn the strategies that me and the team are teaching them. And then they start to slowly build their confidence. And that's what makes profitable traders, which leads us to number 3. Earn your size. Size does, with 2 S's, matter. It does matter. Think about it like this. How many of you watching this video have tried to up your size finally and gotten absolutely smoked like a full rack of ribs on a Saturday barbecue? Probably a lot of you guys. Now, what I want you to do is this. At the start of every month, I want you going back, if you've been struggling, if you're just starting out, 1 contract at a time, 1 to 2 contracts. And at the start of every month, that is where we reconvene. We say, okay, we look at our journal, which you all should be using, whether it's paper or online. And we say, okay, how have my emotions been? How's my P&L been? How's my overall trading been? Have I earned the right to size up? And if you have for a whole month managed that size, done really well, you know, you're trading on principle, right? Not just for profits, not for monetary, but you're trading on principle and growing your overall trading understanding. and skill. Then we get to size up 1 to 2 contracts, and we take the slow route up so you can stay alive while you're learning and live to trade another day. One of my favorite phrases, all right? Which leads us to number 4, expectations and losing to learn, etc. We have to have the right expectations, right? You see me make $20,000 in a day. You see me make $600K in 6 months on one stock, right? But in reality is this took 7 years of learning, failing, grinding to do, my friends. So we have to keep our expectations realistic, right? And second is losing to learn. How many of you guys have said, oh, I'm losing every day, but it's fine because I'm learning? No. I mean, yes, losing is part of the process when we're learning, but if you keep doing the same dumb stuff over and over and over, that's not, learning. That's just idiocracy. So I want you guys losing with a purpose, right? I want you guys becoming legends from your losses. I want you journaling them, writing them down, not making the same mistakes over and over. And if you do that, my friends, if you do that, you're going to be on the right path to success. So now that we have my 4 rules out of the way, we have them implemented, I want to show you my trade from today, my main trade from today, and my principles that I look for every single day to make money like you saw at the beginning, to give you guys recaps every day, and to help you guys learn and overall, help myself make money and help my team make money. Let's get right to it. Now, what I'm going to say next may come as a shock to many of you. No, you don't have to catch tops and bottoms to make thousands of dollars trading, right? You're actually going to lose more money long-term trying to catch tops and bottoms. Where you're going to make your money, where you're going to stay consistent is finding A+ high probability setups and executing on what you know. For example, today, as you can see here in our live trading community, I was telling our team before it happened, as we came up to 454, I liked puts in that area. You can see it on the right here too. I really liked it until it proved otherwise to us because I'm going to show you why in a second. It was something that I've seen happen over and over and over. So with that, let's go to the chart here. Now, step 1 to my strategy is I always want to have more than one confirmation, right? I want 2+ confirmations, whether that's an indicator, whether that's 2 different time frames, whether it's a candlestick pattern or a chart pattern, whatever it is, I need 2+ confirmations. What I'm also going to tell you is this, is to make thousands of dollars, you don't have to have massive 1,000% bangers, right? Most people making, oh, look at my Webull profit card, I made 1,000% today, aren't actually making money long term. That's why they can't ever show you P&L year to dates. Jadon will. So let's talk about today's trade. So one of my first things I do every day, mid-morning, is I look for swing highs and swing lows. For example, today we made a swing high around 455. So that's our first point. We made a swing low around this 452.8. So we go here and add this. Now the first step is I always want to find the trend. If we're in a downtrend, we go top to bottom. Uptrend, we go bottom to top. So in this downtrend, we're looking for a reject. Now we come up, I'm always looking for the 50% retracement on rejects like this. So we come on up, we had a previous area of confluence, we had our opening print here. So between opening print being here, right, our 50% retracement here, I told the team, as you saw in chat, I liked puts right around this 454, added at the very top. I had amazing fills in this trade and I went heavy. Full disclosure, I trade heavy positions sometimes. Over 30, 40, 50K sometimes, right? It never goes over 6 figures, but I trade with a lot of money, right? And I put a lot of risk on the table. Not a lot of people will tell you that. I will. So my first big trade was here. We got in from here, trimmed all the way down to this, and this ended up being about 40% just in these candles with how these contracts moved. Again, we went up. We were going up on weak volume, caught a nice scalp here again from here all the way down here. Again, it was only like 60, 70 cents on SPY. When you get 20, 30%, at a decent size on a few trades, that's how I've made my money, right? Yes, I've had 50% trades, 100% trades, but I don't sit there and focus on, I need 100% or else, I'm not selling. I keep my risk really tight. Okay, that's what I tell all of our students, right? When we're live trading every day, when we're doing education inside Team Bull, I always tell them we have to keep our risk tight, right? We have to keep our risk managed. We are not professional winners, we're professional losers, and that is the key, my friends. That's what I want us all to know. That's what I want us all to remember every single day. That's what Team Bull is built on. And I want you guys always making sure that, for one, if you're using like this strategy, right? If you're using the fibs, if you're using price action, if you're using volume, all these things, at least 2 confirmations, ideally like 3, whether it's a key level, indicator, whatever it is. And I want you guys sticking to your guns with that. I don't want you trying to chase lows or chase highs or top tick tops and bottoms. I want you guys trading with an edge. We have to be the casino, my friends. So with that, I love you guys. I love seeing you guys win. I love seeing Team Bull win. And again, if you guys want to trade with me live and my team live every single day, make sure you join the waitlist for our first ever free trial. I promise you, we've done discounts in the past. We're not doing this again. So you're going to get a free trial and you're going to get a discount to our community if you decide to stay. Otherwise, hit the subscribe button, tap in, keep learning, and let's get rich together. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.